Hey there, fellow pet lovers. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's close to our hearts, training your dog the easy way. So, let's dive right in. First things first, it's important to remember that every dog is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. So, be patient and adapt your approach to suit your furry friend's personality. Now, let's talk about the 3 essential steps to training your dog. 1. Positive reinforcement. This is the key to successful training. Use treats, praise, or playtime to reward your dog for good behavior. This will help them associate positive experiences with your training sessions. 2. Consistency. Consistency is crucial in dog training. Make sure you're using the same commands and signals every time. This will help your dog understand what's expected of them. 3. Patience. Training takes time, so be patient and consistent in your approach. Remember, your dog is learning, and it's important to give them time to process and understand your commands. Now, let's talk about some specific training tips. 1. Start with basic commands. Begin with simple commands like sit and stay. Once your dog has mastered these, you can move on to more complex commands. 2. Use positive reinforcement. As we mentioned earlier, positive reinforcement is key. Use treats, praise, or playtime to reward your dog for good behavior. 3. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the better your dog will get. Make sure to schedule regular training sessions to help your dog learn and improve. And there you have it, folks. Easy and effective dog training tips to help you and your furry friend bond and grow together. Remember, training is a journey, and it's important to be patient and consistent in your approach. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more pet care tips and tricks. Until next time, happy training!